everyone has been updating over the weekend. So our trusted friend at Waves, they've also added some incredible updates, I must say. Kudos to them at Waves for this update. And of course, it's been a long time. People have been saying they want this. And yes, Waves just gave it to us now. So what am I talking about? Let's get straight into it after the intro. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and this is to tell you that the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing, and you can click the link below to be a part. What's that thing? You can click the link below to be a part of the Krizbeatz Music Academy, where you get to learn everything that is to prepare you for today's industry, and you can as well be on your way to being a professional at what you do. So let's get straight into it. Waves release. I just updated my Waves. This is not my tutorial day. I'm not even supposed to make tutorials today, but this is just too good and too easy. Not just one. I have a couple of things I really like that they just released. Some for beat making. Waves does not really do beat making stuff like that. I mean, they do, but it's not something I would typically go to when I'm trying to make beats. But right now they've added some really quick stuff. So enough cheap chapping. Here is a song I'm working on, and this is really easy for people who you are recording a song and you don't know the key. So Waves has a new plugin that is called Key Detector, and it does what the name implies. Key Detector allows you to detect the key of any song. So this is really sweet for those of you who maybe you necessarily might not know how to find key. It's important that you learn how to do that, but in case you don't know how to do that, now you have something that allows you to get the same result. So what I will just do is put Key Detector on the musical elements in your production, and then jam it. This is not even the fun part. So it's trying to detect. Said A minor. So it's correct because the song is in C major, which is, A minor relative to A minor. It says our key is A minor. We can check for alternative. So alternative to A minor is E minor and G major, which is also, you can also use C major, because all these keys on G major is on C. It's all the white keys apart from maybe F sharp for G major. The same thing for E minor. So this is a game changer. So if you have this and then you have all your Waves tune loaded, or any of the Waves stuff. So I have this loaded now, set to chromatic. So if you have everything on your channel, you can transmit the key. So if I press transmit, it will change everything. Any Waves tune I have inside my project, they will all switch to the key that this guy is transmitting to everybody. That is so good. So for someone like me who, if I load a new audio channel where I want to record the vocal, I already have Waves tune loaded there. So I don't have to go and be setting the key, changing the stuff. I'll just, bring Key Detector, put on my master channel, let it analyze the track. Then after that, I can transmit, then all my autotune will be ready to go. So I can focus only on ensuring that the artist delivers the best. Tell me that's not a game changer. That is crazy. And I love the fact that it's Waves. And one thing about Waves is not as expensive as all these other plugins that I can maybe tell you that Waves sounds better. I was so happy about this and that I had to pause and make a video for it. So if you are wondering if it's correct, let me play the stuff and let's listen to the vocals and see if it sounds the way we want it to sound.
She said she wants some breakfast in the morning. She said,
very tuned if you ask me.
She said she wants some red wine and she want kisses on her chin when she yawning. No, she wants some candlelight, make love all night. I got plans for you.
Yes, very, very, very tuned if you ask me. So yes, they have a lot. If you want me to go over all the major things that they have in this new update so that you know exactly what to go for when you're trying to make something, I would also do that. So just let me know in the comment section if you want that. And if you are enjoying this update so far, leave a like and do well to click the subscribe button. It costs you no money to do that. Yes, another thing that they released that I really like is this retro-fi, like a lo-fi plugin, but they have beautiful thing that you can use here. Okay, let's use it on the chord. And then usually just come to preset and say let's say lo-fi amp. You can see the character that I created automatically, and you can also check some other one. So I can really hear how you can use this to create. So this gives you that lo-fi feel, but you can merge it with other ones. Check out different things. The way it even looks, I really like it. The way it looks, I really like it. So yes, this video was for Key Detector, but I just wanted to put this also in there. So like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next video. Love.